Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all to lesson 9. We understand Al-Quran the easy way, part 2, grammar. Yes, you can't see my picture. आपने मुझे को होस्ट ही नहीं बनाया, मैं पिक्चर शेयर ही नहीं कर सकता आपके साथ. आप हैंड डाउन करें और मुझे को होस्ट बनाएं. We will learn grammar using TPI. TPI means total physical interaction. It is easy, interesting, and interactive session. TPI means hear it, see it, think it, say it, show it, love it, do it together. Please repeat with me. Hear it, see it, think it, say it, show it, love it, do it together. In Arabic, words are of 3 types: ism, fail, and harf. Ism means noun, just like kitab, Makkah, or it may be attribute like Muslimun, and we identified with the sign of alif lam in the beginning, or dammatain, fattatain, or kasratain at the end, or if it's a plural, waw noon, ya noon, or alif ta at the end. Fail is a verb, tells us about an action. It must have a tense. The harf is a particle which join nouns and other verbs. Now we have to remember 4 tips about the prepositions. Different languages uses different prepositions. Second, preposition in Arabic but not in English. And third, preposition not in Arabic but in English. And fourth one, change of preposition leads to change in the meaning. So these are the 4 points or tips you must know about the preposition. Words to show objects, just like haza mean this, haula mean plural of this, these, zalika mean that, ulaika those. So haza mean this, haula mean these, zalika mean that, ulaika mean those. See once again, haza this for the masculine and hazi for the feminine, zalika for the masculine and tilka for the feminine. So who would like to repeat? Please raise hand among you. Yes. Okay, Jannat, please sister, repeat this.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Please repeat.
Haza, this, hazihi, hazihi, these, zalika, I'm sorry, zalika, that, tilka.
That.
Tilka,
Meaning is the
that.
same for the both.
Yes.
Haza mean this, but it is for the masculine from the right hand. Haza is all mean this, but it is for the feminine from the left. Zalika mean that is for the masculine with the right hand, and tilka mean the that, again that, but for the feminine with the left hand. This is the only difference of the right, left hand and the feminine. Otherwise, meaning is the same. Haza mean this, haza mean also this, zalika mean that, tilka mean also that. Now we studied the verbs. Words are the 3-letter minimum joined one word. 3 letters joined one word minimum is the verb. Just like fa, ain, lam, fa, ta, ha, nun, sad, ra, dad, ra, ba. The Arabic language has 3 types of words. Madi, meaning that which has been gone, past, perfect tense, and mudari. Mudari means imperfect tense. It is the combination or joints of present and the future tense. And the amr means imperative tense, order. So we started the Madi. Look, the Madi table is fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'altu, you all did. Fa'alna, we did. Please repeat with me thrice in Arabic. Fa'ala, fa'alu. Fa'ala, fa'alu. Fa'ala, fa'alu. Fa'alta, fa'altu. Fa'alta, fa'altu. Fa'alta, fa'altu. Fa'altu, fa'alna. Fa'altu, fa'alna. Fa'altu, fa'altu. Now once with the translation. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'alna, we did. Yes, who would like to repeat among you? Yes, Saira Bashir, you are unmuted. Would you like to repeat the table? Please repeat. Yes, any other one? Okay, Professor Ibrahim, please brother repeat.
Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu,
Yes.
they did. Fa'altu, you did.
Fa'alta.
Fa'alta, you
Ta.
did.
Yes.
Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'alna, we did.
Good. Yes, Saira Bashir, please repeat the same table.
Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'alna, we did.
Yes. Let's see, what is the changes? Actually, in past tense, the changes occur at the end of the verb. Just like an aeroplane flows, after flowing, you see only the tail, the last part. Same, the past has gone. We can see only the tail of the past. See, what are the changes? In fa'ala, there is a wahid fatah. This fatah sign at the verb of first form of the Madi is sign of huwa. And wow is this wow. Wow, if you see, this wow is the sign of hum. And this ta is the sign of anta, means you. And the next two mean ana. And hum mean you all. And na mean we. So these changes tell us which person is doer of that verb. Let's see. Hal fa'ala. Did he do? Yes, nam fa'ala. Nam, he did. Hal fa'alu. Did they do? Nam fa'al. Yes, they did. Hal fa'alta. Did you do? Nam fa'al. Yes, I do. Hal fa'altu. Nam fa'al. So please, among you, if 2% comes and one make the question, other answers. Who would like to come? Yes. Okay, Professor, you ask the question. Jannat, sister, you answer the questions.
Hal fa'ala,
Na'am fa'ala.
هل فعلوا
نعم فعلوا
هل فعلت
نعم فعلت
هل فعلتم
نعم فعلنا.
MashaAllah. Now the first step, there is 3 verbs in the first step. First is the fa'ala, he did. Second is ja'ala, he made. And third is fatah, he opened. We studied that fa'ala, fa and la, he did. If I replace this fa with ja, it becomes ja'ala. It's so simple. Only changing one letter, we get a new word. What is that new word? We change fa with ja. It becomes ja'ala. Fa'ala, he did. Ja'ala, he made. Let's have the table of. See this. See this. There are 3 letters. Fa'ala, 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 fa'ala. With first, we don't add anything. This wahid, this single fatha shows it is huwa. In next, you see, we add what? Waw. It shows hum. The next, we should add ta. It means anta, you. The next, we add tu. Tu mean ana, I. Tu mean you, o. And na mean us. So these are the signs at the end of a verb indicating who is the doer of that verb or the job. So let's to have, we just replace the ja with fa. It becomes ja'ala, he made. Ja'alu, they made. Ja'alta, you made. Ja'altu, I made. Ja'altu, you all made. Ja'alna, we made. Let's to have the table. See, first part. Ja'ala, ja'alu, ja'ala, ja'alu, ja'ala, ja'alu, ja'ala, he made, ja'alu, they made. The second part of the table, see what it is? Ja'alta, ja'altu, ja'alta, ja'altu, ja'alta, ja'altu. Ja'alta means you made, ja'altu, I made. The third part of the table, which is the green color, ja'altu, you all made, ja'alna, we made. Repeat thrice in Arabic. Ja'altum, ja'alna, ja'altum, ja'alna, ja'altu, ja'al. Once with the translation, ja'ala, he made, ja'alu, they made, ja'alta, you made, ja'al, I made, ja'altu, you all made, ja'alna, we made. Yes, who would like to repeat? Please raise hand. Okay. Nobody is coming up, or you can't hear me. Okay, Professor, go ahead, brother. Yes, brother.
Ja'ala, he made.
Yeah.
Ja'alu, they made. Ja'alta, you made. Ja'altu, I made. Ja'altum, you all made. Ja'alna, we made. Ja'alna, we
Yes,
made.
brother Sajid. Yes. Yes, brother Sajid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Please, brother, repeat.
Ja'ala, he made. Ja'alu, they made. Ja'alta, you made. Ja'altu, I made. Ja'altum, you all made. Ja'alna, we made.
Okay, let's move ahead. We have a short dialogue. Hal ja'ala. Did he make? Yes. We can say Nam ja'ala. Yes, he made. Maybe he had cooked something or made something. Hal ja'alu. Did they make? We say yes, Nam ja'ala. But when I ask, Hal ja'alta. Did you make? Then you must be say, yes, I made. So, Nam ja'al. So, ja'alta, always written towards ja'altu. When I ask hal ja'altum, did you all name? So what will be reply? Yes. Hal ja'altum, what is the answer? Yes. Yes, now I need two people to have this dialogue. One will have the question, another will answer that. Yes, please, two people are required. One is Tahir. Tahir will ask the question. Who will answer? A second person. Okay. Fatima. Fatima will answer. Yes, Tahira, go ahead for the question and Fatima will answer.
هل جعل
نعم جعل
هل جعلوا
نعم جعلوا
هل جعلت
نعم جعلت
هل جعلتم
نعم جعلنا.
Excellent job. Now, as I told you, this is a set of three words. Fa'ala, ja'ala, and third one is the fataha. Let's have the fataha. Fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they open. Thrice in Arabic. Fataha, fatahu. Fataha, fatahu. Fataha, fatahu. The second part, fatahta. You open. Fatahtu, I open. Thrice in Arabic. Fatahta, fatahtu. Fatahta, fatahtu. Fatahta, fatahtu. The third part, the green part. Fatahtu, you all open. Fatahna, we open. Thrice in Arabic, repeat with me. Fatahtum, fatahna. Fatahtum, fatahna. Fatahtum, fatah. Once with the translation, please. Fataha, he open. Fatahu, they open. Fatahta, you open. Fatahtu, I open. Fatahtum, you all open. Fatahna, you open. Yes, it's now your turn. Who would like to repeat this table, please? Raise a hand. Okay, Tahir, please repeat you. You are unmuted. Go ahead.
Fataha, he open. Fatahu, they open. Fatahta, you open. Fatahtu, I open. Fatahtum, you all open. Fatahna, we open.
Okay. Yes, Ruqayya. Sister Ruqayya, please repeat, unmute yourself. You are...
Okay. Fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they opened. Fatahata, you opened. Fatahatu, I opened. Fatahatum, you all opened. Fatahana, we opened.
Thank you, sister. Now, here you should concentrate that. Nouns come like this. Huwa, hum, anta, ana, antu, nahnu. So, they come. Huwa mean he, whom, they, anta, you, ana, I, antu, you all, ana, na. Then pronouns may come. They are also pronoun or who, his, whom, their, ka, your, he, my, your, na. When they come with the verb, how they come? They come like this. For the huwa, there is no sign. It is hidden. For the whom, sign is wawa. For anta, sign is ta at the end. And for ana, tu. It's the addition for the verb. Antum, tum. And for nahnu, na. These are the words or the pronouns which appears in the attached form or at the end of verbs. They are identified like. Now we have the homework. We have done the fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altu, fa'altum, fa'alna, fataha, fatatu, fatatu, fatahu. We have done, these are the questions. We will take one only. Fatahli, who opened me, he opened for me. Fatahna laka, we open for you. Hal ja'altum, naam ja'al. Let's to pray. Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, memorize the Quran. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.
Assalamu